What's going on, guys? Good morning. So today we are back on my Supra and we're getting ready to pull the transmission out. I already got the car jacked up. There's gonna be a lot going on with this car this winter since well, we have a winter. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of work to it, and here's the list so far. Remove the R154, remove the exhaust, remove the fuel lines, remove the diff. OS Geiken's going in. R154 is getting rebuilt for now because I can't afford a T56 yet. So we're gonna upgrade it with all Marlin crawler internals. I'm gonna get a welder and I'm gonna get a table bandsaw, and I'm actually gonna make my own 4-inch exhaust. Something I've been wanting to do for a while. I'm not happy with my exhaust and how it sits. If you can see, right there, it hits. So this entire exhaust is getting replaced. So if anyone wants the exhaust, let me know. Pay for shipping and you can have the exhaust. That'll be downpipe all the way back. And then I'm going to be recircling my wastegate. I'm probably still going to use this exhaust manifold for now. Maybe if I can find another exhaust manifold in good condition that's better than that one for cheap enough, I'll do a new exhaust manifold. So I'm not 100% sure yet. I'm looking at a few. So yeah, so I need to get this transmission out today because it's my day off and it's like one of the only days I have to do it. So let's get cracking. All right, guys, hold on. Watching 2GZ Addict. He did the FL2K this year. Oh, he filmed it. But so I forgot I had to take that off because we're putting the air intake temp sensor down here instead of where it's at currently. Got all the exhaust off, and yeah, so now I can start working on transmission bits, getting the drive shaft out, all that fun stuff. The drive shaft kind of sucks to take out on this car, and I forgot to buy a tool that Ryan said to buy, which is one of these, but for that size, which I did not get. So this is gonna suck, but all right. All right, well, I got the drive shaft out, all the oil drained in the transmission. I don't know if you guys can see all that sparkly silver, but that's not good. So something's definitely broken the transmission, which I was hoping it wasn't it. I was hoping maybe it was something broke with the clutch, but I don't think that's the case. So I think now all I really have to do is unbolt the transmission from the motor and from the transmission mount and the starter and the slave cylinder, and it's coming out. So be right back. Well, guys, I don't think it's my transmission, so which is good, but I'm probably still gonna have it built with Marlin crawler stuff. But see this clutch disc? Yeah, that's not coming off easy. I think I found my problem. Looks like this got stuck to this. Okay. So I'm gonna try to get that off. All right, I'll be back. All right, guys, well, it's not my transmission, which is cool because that's expensive to fix and I didn't want to buy a new one. I'm still gonna rebuild it though, just with stronger parts, but it's the clutch disc, which is also equally expensive to do a better setup that can handle the power. So it actually welded itself. You can see actually welded itself to the flywheel. So the flywheel I'm gonna have to clean up. If I can't clean it up, I'm gonna have to send it out and get it shaved. So that's where we're at. Kind of sucks I pulled out the transmission for nothing. But I think I'm gonna at least upgrade the crush washer, maybe. I don't know. We're gonna upgrade some stuff in the transmission and see if we can fix it. I might actually replace this setup, buy a nicer one, since I don't like this. It doesn't seem to work very well. But yeah, so it's good it's not the transmission, so that's a plus. I need to clean up the garage, put the car down, put it back over here so my wife can park. Actually, I might just leave it where it's at. She can park on this side. It's not that big of a deal. There's plenty of room. Yeah, she can park on this side. That'll be fine. We'll see if she can fit. If she can't fit, I'll fucking move it. But, yep, so I'm done for the day. I got it all apart. Kind of happy it's not the transmission, because there's nothing broken inside of there that I have to worry about. Kind of bummed the clutch is screwed. And, yeah. So, it is what it is, but... Alright, well... I will catch you guys later. I appreciate you watching, and send money because I need it. Bye.